Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to create a seamless post with Pixellab. Yeah, let's begin. Firstly, you have to determine your post size. As for this, I'm using square. Then you double the size of the width of your post. Yeah, just make it times 2. Let's see what you have now. Then you import your picture or your post, the model you want to use for the post is social media post. Yeah. See the way I put it. Then you align it to the middle. Make sure your grid lines are on. That's how you can know the half of the image. Then you can reduce the size of the image to prevent it from cutting. Then you lock your image and save your image. Then you reopen a square background and select that image as your background image. Remember to resize it to square and move it to one part of the image. Here you have something like this. Then now you can write your text. Yeah, I'm just going to, it's just a sample text here, so I'm just going to write hello everyone, and I'll use the MTN Sounds font. Yeah. Then you can also change the color, the font and the color of the image of your post, sorry, according to how you want your post. Once it's done, you can save your image. Now you crop your background to the other side. Make sure it's square, yes, and crop to the other side. You can also write whatever you want to write here, whatever you want to write, according to how you want your post to be. And once that's done, you can save your image. Then you move to Instagram to create your post. Yeah, you select the first part of the image and the second part. Then see posts. Just a sample, so I'm not writing anything. Post. Wait for a few seconds, and here is it. You have your seamless post. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you.